there, ready to hit the gym? Let's talk about why warming up is a game changer. Many people jump straight into intense workout, push up, pull up, heavy weight without warming up. This can lead to muscle strains, back pain, and even longer recovery times. In fact, skipping warm-ups might mean you spend more time resting than workout. Benefits just a few minutes of warming up, like arm swing, light jogging, or jumping jacks, increase blood flow, loosen your muscle, and prepare your body for the workout ahead. That means better performance and fewer injuries. So before you lift, lose weight, take a few minutes to warm up. Your body will thank you, and you will enjoy a safer, more effective workout. Thank you for watching my videos.